Ever thought about sprucing up your walls with a personal touch? Let's get our hands crafty with some easy DIY paper art. First, gather your materials: colored paper, scissors, glue, thread, a pencil, and optional decorations like beads or markers. Now, pick a design theme. Think flowers, geometric shapes, or hearts. Next, cut out your shapes. For flowers, layer different petal sizes. For geometric shapes, use a ruler to draw and cut symmetrical designs. Then cut lengths of thread and punch a small hole at the top of each shape. Thread each shape onto the string and secure with a knot or glue. Assemble your wall hanging by attaching the strings to a stick or dowel. Make sure they hang evenly. Add any extra decorations for that final flair. Finally, hang your masterpiece on the wall using a nail or hook. And there you have it, a personalized piece of art made by you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fun DIY projects.